iMazing's Manage Apps tool lets you download, install, uninstall, and back up iOS, iPadOS, tvOS, and visionOS apps directly from your computer, Mac, or PC. Whether you're managing a single device, your family's devices, or an organization-wide fleet using volume purchase via Apple Business, with iMazing, you can save App Store apps to a local library on your computer instead of downloading them separately to each device, and keep them even after developers retire them from the App Store. You can also store multiple app versions, so you can downgrade to a previous version at any time. It works across multiple devices, and even multiple Apple accounts. In this video, we'll walk through it all. Downloading apps to your library, keeping them updated, uninstalling to free up space, backing up and restoring app data, plus the business features for managing apps at scale. Here's how it works. First, download and install iMazing from iMazing.com. Then launch the application on your Mac or PC. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. If this is the first time you're connecting the device, unlock it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Once paired, iMazing will remember the device for future sessions. In iMazing's main window, click Devices in the left sidebar. You'll see all devices that have previously been paired to your computer. Select the device you want to work with. In the Quick Action panel, click on Manage Apps. You'll see two tabs at the top of the App Management view. Device tab shows everything currently installed on your device. Library is your local app collection, stored on your computer, available whenever you need it. Any app you download through iMazing is saved to your library. From there, you can install it on any paired device anytime without having to re-download it from the App Store, saving bandwidth and time. To download an app that isn't already in your library, click Add from App Store, type its name, and click the download icon in the search results. iMazing will ask for your Apple account credentials, the same ones you use on your device. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll receive a verification code on your device. Enter it when prompted. Once the app is downloaded, select it in the Library tab and click Install. Done. The app goes straight to your device. Apps with a download icon in your library are listed but not yet downloaded. Click the icon to download them instantly. Alternatively, click Add from Purchase History. This checks your App Store purchase history and lets you add apps purchased in the past 90 days. Here's where iMazing really shines and saves you time. In the Library tab, click the three dots menu and select Check for Updates. iMazing scans your entire library and shows you what's outdated. Download all updates at once or pick and choose. You can also keep the previous version alongside the new one, handy if an update removes a feature or breaks something and you need to roll back. The workflow is the same from the Device tab. Check for Updates shows what's outdated on the connected device and lets you install updates directly. In the Library tab, there are three possible statuses. No checkmark means the app isn't installed on your device. A grayed checkmark means the app is installed, but it doesn't match the version stored in your library. A green checkmark means that specific app version is installed. If you need to free up space, iMazing lets you uninstall apps on the device directly from your computer, where it stays, ready to be reinstalled anytime. Click the Device tab. You'll see everything currently installed on your iPhone or iPad. Select one app or several at once. iMazing shows you exactly how much space you'll recover above the list. When you're ready, click Uninstall in the footer. Done. The apps are removed from the device, but stays in your library if you've downloaded it and can be reinstalled exactly as it was. Note that all application data will also be removed from your device, so make sure to back up the application data first if you may need to restore it later. To do so, select any app from the Device tab and click Backup Data to back up the app's sandboxed storage container. This pulls the app data from the container via your device's iOS backup and saves it as a .imazing app file on your computer. You can restore this file later at any time. This is useful for preserving app state or data. Note that restoring requires restarting your device and will display the iOS Setup Assistant. Follow iMazing's on-screen instructions, and do not restore data from iCloud during this process. One more thing that makes a real difference regarding data restore: when you restore a backup or move to a new device in iMazing, you'll see an option: Install apps from local library if available. Turn it on, and iMazing installs your apps right from your computer, instead of pulling them all from the App Store again after your device backup has been restored. On a slow connection with a large app collection, that can make a significant difference, saving you bandwidth and time. With iMazing, you can also manage apps in your organization using your Apple Business account, which lets you purchase apps in volume. iMazing configurator blueprints let you deploy apps to devices and automatically assign licenses, enabling the use of iOS apps tied to a device's serial number rather than a specific Apple account. Learn more about iMazing configurator capabilities in our support center. iMazing also lets you archive apps outside your local library, or get direct access to the raw app bundles for analysis and research. Just right-click any downloaded app and select Export.ipa. If the option is grayed out, download the app to your library first. What you get is an .ipa file, Apple's standard app bundle format, which you can import into another iMazing library or install on a device with any Apple account that's previously purchased the app. With iMazing, your privacy is never compromised. Everything stays local. Your app library remains on your computer, under your control. Your Apple account credentials aren't shared anywhere. They're only sent to Apple servers during authentication and are securely stored in your macOS keychain or Windows credentials. Download link is in the description. Subscribe for more iMazing tutorials, and see you in the next one.